looking for answers, ain't looking for love. The comfort of strangers or a sign from above. Been looking for something, what it is I don't know. Found a whole lot of nothing where the cold winds blow. I've traveled the back roads, I've traveled alone, I've gathered the seeds I sowed, seen their fruit turn to stone. I've traveled a lifetime to play the next show. I'll follow the white line when the cold winds blow. Some do it the easy way, some go down in flames, some prey on their dying day. You'll remember their names. Hang on to your innocence, it ain't as easy as it seems. Don't let common sense chip away at your dreams. It takes all your courage, it's a hard road to hoe, but don't be discouraged when the cold winds blow. Whatever road you take, you'll win and you'll lose. Don't judge me by my mistakes till you stand in my shoes. I'm counting my blessings, I'm learning to see the beauty in everything God shares with me. Still searching for daylight in the darkness below. A deer in the headlights when the cold winds blow. Nothing but headlights where the cold winds blow.